Hello team, welcome to DevOps training. And today we are going to discuss about the Git history. So today we will see how we can deal with the Git history, how we can find out the history of the commits and history of the files and all, right? So we will start this particular command git log. Okay, so command to verify the last commit we have the command you in the Git we can verify the command we can verify the commits which we have done in the past using the git log, right? So for this, let me allow to go to my directory, which is my project directory, right? So here I have the project starter.web, okay, which we are in sync with the remote directory. I will open up my terminal over here and I simply execute the command. Suppose before going deep into the uh, uh, log command, let's find out some options in the git log. Okay, so we will execute the git help log. So it will display all the options which is available with the log command in git, right? So here is a long list. Okay, so git hyphen log show commits log git log and options revision range path options hyphen follow no decorate print out the ref names of any commit source use mail map full diff log size. There's a lot of things, okay, and you need to press Q to get out of this particular page. Okay, if you want to open this in your basically your sublime, then you can execute like this uh, sub git help log. Okay, it is not opening anything. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, suppose I want to find out the number of commits which I have done, so I will execute the command git log, right? As soon as I will press the enter, you can see you are getting all the messages over here. The command, the commits you have done. Okay, so you are getting all the commits over here, and it is saying April 3, then time, April 3, then time, April 3, and then time. You can see the last commit is displaying at first and in the recursive manner. Okay, you can see all the commits messages over here, right? So this command is basically showing three things. First, it is showing commit, okay, and then the commit ID. This is a long string which is basically called commit ID, and in Git we can call it hash. Okay, we can call it commit hash because it is a hash value of that particular commit. Okay, then the author who committed, okay, the time when the commit is being done, okay, and the commit message. So in with every commit we are getting four things. First we are getting the commit hash, then we are getting the author who done this commit, then the date and the message. Basically guys, this information is quite important. Okay, currently I'm only the working person with this particular project, but when I'm working in the organization there are 600 developers who are working on the same project, right? There are more than 600, more than 6, more than 5, more than 2, more than there could be n number of developers or n number of people who are working on the same project, and you want to find out which commit is being done by which user, then definitely this is the most simplest way to find out the information of the commit. Okay, once you go down, okay, so you can see you are getting the all the information. Okay, press Q to exit from this particular command. Okay, clear out the console. Now suppose we want some more informative, we want the log information in some more informative way. So we have for the command git log hyphen one line hyphen graph decorate. graph. See, here you are getting the commits in some more informative way. Okay, I will explain all these things. Okay, so hyphen one line means we basically want one line commit. Okay, we want one line message. Hyphen graph, it will display the pictorial information or the pictorial information of all the branches. Okay, in this particular project I have only branch, master branch, but if you have more than one branch, then definitely this will show you the pictorial information of all the branches. Okay, from which branch to which branch commit is being processed, which branch is merged with which branch, and which branch is check out with which branch. There's a lot of information you can get this particular graph. And decorate means decorate that particular pattern. Okay, so here is the commit ID, and you can see this is very short form of the commit, which is just a 7 character. Okay, 7 digit character. Okay, so this is the first 7 digit of this particular hash, which is basically a commit hash. Okay, then head master. Okay, and this is the message. Okay, then hash, then obviously this is on the master branch, then message, and master branch on message. And here we are getting origin master and origin head. So basically here we did something. Okay, or we basically added from our working repository to the uh, remote repository. Okay, we are added from origin head to origin master, right? And here are some other changes as well which we have done. So guys, this is the more informative way. If you want the things in a shorter way, then definitely you can use this command. Okay, let me find out a few things for you. So how we can basically perform the date based search. Okay, suppose you want to search the commits which was processed in last 1 day or last 2 day, then how can you execute this? So we have a command git log hyphen hyphen since equals to double quote, and suppose I want to find out the commits performed in last 2 days, so 2 days ago. So it will display all the a list of all the commits which is being performed in last 2 days, right? It is being performed in last 2 days. So I just performed these commits in last 2 days, right? If I will increase the number, then most probably I will get some more information. Last 12 days. So see, I'm getting the 18th March commit as well, then 3rd April, then 3rd April, then 3rd April, right? Now suppose I want to perform something like, okay, let me clear out this console, and let me find out number of files in my project. So here these are the files which I have in my project, and suppose I want to find out all the changes which I have done on any particular file or in any particular directory. So you remember last we modified this test file.txt, right? So I will execute the command git log and then hyphen hyphen and file name. Okay, test file dot txt. Oh, unrecognized hyphen hyphen c. There is only one command. There is only one commit which is being done on this particular file. This is the commit ID. Okay, and commit is made by Anshul Chauhan on Wednesday 28th. Right. This is basically there is only one commit which is being done on this particular file. Okay, and basically I have deleted that level 1 level 2 level 3 last tutorial. Otherwise I will show you the complete history. If I will perform, I have performed on that particular level 1 level 2 and level 3, right? And suppose I want to get the details of any commit. Suppose I want to get the details of any commit, I want to get the details of this particular commit, then I have the command git show, and you need to provide the commit ID. Oh, you need to provide this commit ID. If you will provide first 7 or 6 character, then that will be sufficient for git as well. So the first 6 7 characters are 367 676 triple E ambiguous argument. Okay, and I need to provide complete ID. So I copy this and paste it over here. Just enter. So it is saying basically it is showing the complete history of this particular commit. It is showing the author is this, date is this, committing test file, okay, and diff get test file this, and this is the difference. Basically this particular test or this particular modification is being done on this particular file. Okay, this particular modification is being done on this particular file. So guys, this is the way how you can basically find out the commits which you have done, the commits which you have done over a period of time, the commits which you have done on a particular file, the commits which you have done uh, on any project or any directory, right? So this is the way how you can find out, how you can deal with the log in the log. Okay, if you want to learn more about the git logs, then here is the command git log. Okay, git help log. Okay, so here is a list of commands. Basically you can see here is a long list of commands. So guys, you can try these commands. You can find out any number of commands which is specifically for you and which you can use in your project, and you can learn with these commands from yourself, right, by yourself. So thank you guys, thanks for your time.